how to private your cover photo on Facebook. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In this video we're going to learn how we can private your cover photo on Facebook, so make sure you stick with me till the end. If you want to private your cover photo on Facebook, whenever you open the Facebook application and then you have your cover photo and then you want to make it private, remember that cover photos is a featured photo. It is there to highlight it, and thus you can't make it private. When people tap on it, they'll be able to see in the full section. But if you don't want people to see by tapping on it and seeing and viewing them in full screen, that is something that we can do, and for that we have to lock our Facebook profile. So tap the three dots option next to your profile, then just tap on the lock profile option over there. Then once you tap on lock profile, you'll be able to go ahead and then basically lock your Facebook profile. That way people will still be able to see your cover photo, but they will not be able to see it in detail by viewing it fully. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.